Here's some ways to make money from snow.
When it's snowing, most people see a mess. I see at least 7 ways that you can make money. And a couple of these you can turn into passive income that pays you every single winter. If snow or winter is your thing, then this can be your side hustle. Let me show you how people are cashing in right now. I'm going to break down 7 ways to make money from snow. Some are same-day cash hustles. Some are products you can sell from your couch. And some are passive income that works while you sleep. So let's get into it. Number 1, shoveling cars. This one is so simple, it's silly. In cities like New York, you have to switch your car every few days so that street sweepers can come in. And that doesn't stop when it snows. Sometimes they'll give you a day or 2 off, but it always resumes so that it keeps the streets clean. That means every few days, people have to go shovel out their cars, switch them to another side, or they'll get a ticket. And when it snows, these cars are buried. And most people, they don't have time or a shovel. So here's the move. Go to your local Facebook parent group or neighborhood group, post that you're shoveling out cars, and price yourself under a parking ticket, which is usually around $65 to $125. You can charge $30 to $50 per car. You do 5 cars, that's $150 to $250 in a few hours. You don't even need to post online. Write your number on a sticky note and put it on the car windows in your neighborhood. Put them all the way down the street. That's it. That's your marketing. You're taking the service to where the demand is. Number 2, hot chocolate and hand warmers. And this one's a classic for a reason. You set up near a park, a sledding hill, or an ice skating rink. You can sell hot chocolate for $3 to $5 a cup. Some business savvy kids did this in Central Park when we had our last snowstorm, and it was amazing. And if you don't want to deal with liquids, even easier, hand warmers. You could buy a pack of hand warmers for $9. That's 10 hand warmers. You could sell them between $2 and $4 each, and you could sell them to people that are skating in the park or sledding in the park. That $9 can become $40. And if you 10x that, you have a decent profit. Just check if you need a permit in your area. Some parks are chill, some aren't, but a quick Google search will fix that for you. Number 3, rent or sell sleds. When snow hits, everybody suddenly needs a sled. And stores, especially in New York City, they sell out fast. But here's what smart people do. They buy sleds in bulk, off season, when they're cheap. Or they hit up thrift stores and garage sales in the summer. Then when the snow hits, they list them on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist for double or triple what they paid. Or you can rent them out, $10 to $20 for a few hours at a popular sledding spot. And also, the parents don't have to store them. Parents will pay, trust me. Now those first 3 are same-day cash hustles. You go out and you make money. But what if you don't want to be out in the snow? Well, these next ones you can do from your couch, and they can continually pay you every winter for years. So number 4 is KDP Books. Snow days mean kids are at home, parents need activities. That's where Amazon KDP comes in. You can create snow day coloring books, winter activity books for kids, snow day planners or journals, even adult de-stressing coloring books with cozy winter themes. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a snow day coloring book. Simple pages, kids stuck at home, parents are searching for activities. And here's a winter activity book. There's mazes, word searches, connect the dots. You make it once and it sells every winter. And here's another example. Snow day journal for adults. Cozy vibes, gratitude prompts, reflection pages. These aren't complicated. You make one in a day using AI tools in Canva. And I have a full tutorial on exactly how to do this, and I'll link it at the end. The best part is you make it, you upload it to Amazon, and every single winter when it snows, parents are searching for exactly this thing. That's passive income, and that comes back year after year. You can also use AI to help create these faster, and if you want my full step-by-step process, here's the complete KDP tutorial video. And number 5, affiliate marketing. Think about everything that people buy when it snows. Shovels, snow boots, ice scrapers, snow blowers, winter gloves, sleds. All of these have affiliate links on Amazon. You can create content, a TikTok video, a YouTube video, a blog post, a Pinterest pin showing the best snow gear, and you drop your affiliate link inside that post. Every time somebody buys through your link, you get a cut. Snow hits every year, and that content will keep working for you. My tip here would be to find unique products so they can stand out just a little bit. Here's a bonus tip that most people miss. Combine these hustles together. Shovel cars in the morning. Sell hot chocolate in the afternoon, film everything for content, post it with your affiliate links. 1 snow day, 4 income streams. That's how you turn weather into wealth. And number 6, snow content. And this one most people overlook. Snow is content. Film yourself shoveling, film yourself sliding down a hill, film the chaos of alternate side parking. Post it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Viral snow content gets millions of views. Views turn into followers, followers turn into customers for whatever you sell, products, services, affiliate links, and or sell those stock photos and videos. Snow is free, the content is free, and the audience is waiting. Number 7, sledding tours or collaborations. Here's a wild one. In some cities, people run sledding tours. Seriously. In New York, it's no different, and there was a map with all of the best sledding spots. You find sledding spots, bring sleds, charge families $20 to $30 per person for a guided experience. Or partner with a local coffee shop. They sell the hot chocolate, you bring it to the crowd, and you split the profits. Or if there's a Central Park tour on a pedicab, partner with that tour guide to offer a sledding experience if it snows. Set up an agreement or a collaboration with a pedicab tour. So if it snows, you can give that customer a unique snow experience and maybe they'll split the tip. Get creative. The opportunities are everywhere when you look. But here's the thing. Snow melts and this window can close fast. For a second bonus, here's bonus number 8, B2B custom winter enclosure, which is business to business. Restaurants, cafes, any businesses with seating, they need winter vestibules to keep customers warm and cozy. And you can source these wholesale or partner with a supplier. Reach out to local businesses before the first freeze. Do you know those little vestibules that are usually on restaurant or business doors in the winter? Those sell for between $3,000 and $10,000. They're reusable, they have the signage on it, so it's also marketing. You can create those, get them manufactured, and sell them and install them on those businesses. And in the spring and the summer, you can store them for a small fee. That's bonus number 8, that you can sell for a higher price tag to a business, that you can even generate money all year by storing those in your space. If you land 5 clients, that's a serious payday. And most people, they never think to sell to businesses, and that's exactly why this one works. Don't be the person that watches this video, thinks, that's a great idea, but then does nothing. Pick one, start today, make some money while the snow is still on the ground. If snow is your thing, then this can be your hustle. 7 ways to make money from same-day cash to passive income that will pay you every winter. So which one are you going to try? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to turn any of these into a real product you can sell on Amazon, I have a step-by-step KDP tutorial, and I'll link it up here. And here's the thing about snow. Most people complain about it. They see a mess, the cold, the inconvenience. But now you see what I see. 7 ways to make money. Same-day cash to passive income. From your neighborhood to your couch. Snow is opportunity. You just have to grab it. And if you want to learn more about the easiest AI side hustles, I have a complete video that breaks it all down. So check it out here. And be sure to follow for more hobby to hustle ideas. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.